Hi, in this video today, I would like to show you how to renew PMI certification. Okay, let's get started. You open the browser and then access into the PMI.org website. Log in into the PMI account. This is my dashboard, and you see that I have the certification like the PMP already earn all of the sufficient PDU in order to perform the action to renew. And here you can see we have a button renew on the top. And in case if you still not get sufficient PDU, so that you will see this button report PDU like this. Okay, so here, for example, I will guide you how to perform the action for renew the PMP certification. Click on renew button. And after that, the system will navigate you to the checkout page. The cost to renew it is 42 USD. For the regular price, it is 105. However, for now, I'm the PMI member, so that it will be discount for my purchase order here. Yeah, it saves a lot of money. You can do the same thing for other certification. I come back again to the dashboard of my account. So now I will perform the same action to purchase for other certification. Yeah. And so now in my shopping cart, I already add the PMP, PMP, PBA, and RMP to renewal process. Yeah. So here is do the calculation. Thus, I already saved 2052 USD for this one. Yeah. And you scroll it down. The next step, you can select some option here to donate for PMI Education Foundation. If you don't want to donate, you can click on the other amount and enter 0. Yes. Next step, click on continue to check out button. On this step, if you have the promotion code, you can enter it here to discount further order. The next step, you select the payment methods. So here I will select the first option to pay with the credit cards. I will select the first option to pay with the Visa. Because I already do some purchase before, so that I already have the information for my Visa here. If this one is the first time you purchase the order with the PMI, you click on add payment method option, and then you enter some information for the credit card. Yeah. It's very simple. And then click on save change button to add new cards into the account. I assuming you already did it, and click on close button. So the last step, click on I agree button here. By default, you should review the order. Review the first one here. The total of money you need to pay, and the payment method here. You click on place order button. Order is processing. Order success. Yeah. So here you can print the invoice to see the information of detail for the purchase. Here, okay, good. Its status is processing. Okay, and so now come back again to the dashboard of the account to see. Yes, scroll down. I have PMP already extend the cycle of my certification. The same thing for the PMP as well. PBA, ACP already did that a long time ago for the RMP. Yeah. Okay. So for now, only the PMP, I need to earn more the PDU in order to perform the same action to renew my certification. Okay. The last thing, I will open my email here. So this one is the Renew, the order purchase option. And some other thing here. This is the congratulation. Okay, so that's all. I hope this video will helpful for you. Let me know if you have any question or need to support in the process for purchase the renewal process for PMI certification. Thank you. See you guys in the next video.